Hey guys, it's me again. We're just going to finish up just real quick. Sorry about that. I hit 15 minutes and so it cut me off. Okay. All right. So we got that right there. We have the circle. It's not quite in the correct position yet as I madly scramble and try and pull up the picture on my phone. It looks like I still need it to be the center of the circle, 57 millimeters from that front end right there. Also, and this is where it's going to start yelling at me, which is good, I need it to be only 28 millimeters from the top edge. And this is where it says, no, you can't, because I already anchored it to the midpoint of that line. Now, it's not hard to take care of. All you have to do is click on the constraint in red and hit delete. And you can see that went away and now it moved. I no longer have this circle anchored to that midpoint. Okay, just to finish up real quick, we have it. I'm going to go ahead, extrude, remove. Once again, I'm just going to go through all. Boom, hit that right there, and we have it. So we are good to go. Now I have to remember just exactly how I'm going to. I don't think I have to rename it or anything. I think it is saved automatically. So if I go here, yep, Nathan and Owen right there. So it looks like you don't even have to save it. It does get saved automatically. So when you do a figure, and you're not going to do this one right here, but when you do a figure, just go ahead and email it to me. Okay? All right. So real quick, I want to take a look at what you need to do. So I'm going to go to Google Classroom. We're going to pull up the syllabus because I put everything in the syllabus. Down here. Now, I do reserve the right to add stuff, take stuff out, stuff like that. But this is a good overlay of the course. You guys have all done. Yep, that's where we are right now. You guys have either done all the manual drawing or you're to the end of it. This is the first thing. Now this right here, if you go to Google Classroom, it has a video on 8-31, but I did this differently for you guys just because you guys are using Onshape and it's a little bit different, okay? So you don't have to watch the SolidWorks video if you don't want to. Just watch the videos that I did for you. I do want you to do 8-33. So try that one. Okay? All right. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to make a video doing 8-32 on Onshape. If I don't, then we can connect and we can do it together if you'd want to or whatever. But the next thing you're going to watch a video or figure it out, you could probably actually just watch 8-32. And I think you know enough of Onshape that you could watch the video in SolidWorks and still do it on Onshape as well. Okay? And then you're going to have to do 8-34, 8-35. Once again, both of these figures, all of these figures, they are all in Google Classroom as well. So, hey, thanks. I know it's probably not the funnest thing in the world, but hey, thanks for taking a look at the video and getting into Onshape and just having a good attitude and just continuing on with stuff. So don't hesitate. Reach out anytime. Anything I can do for you, anything at all, go ahead, tell me, and I'd be happy to do it. Thanks. Bye.